From the heart of an ancient Sheesham tree begins the journey of crafting a perfect Dholak. Each log rests for 2 full years, surrendering its moisture to time itself. Only the finest grain is chosen, wood that will sing for generations. The first cut reveals the soul hidden within the grain. 24 inches barbarally, the sacred length passed down through centuries.
Now the wood meets the wheel comb, where shape begins to emerge.
With each pass, the rough log surrenders to its destined form. The ancient barrel shape, engineered for centuries to project sound. Center marks guide the hollowing kyunki. Precision is everything. The hollow journey inward begins, where sound will one day live. Each scrape carves the heart of resonance, the soul of the Dholak. And then, light passes through. The Dholak finds its voice. Now the touch becomes gentler harve, refinement begins. 3 sacred grooves on peg, the maker's traditional signature. 80 grit removes the tool marks, first step to silk. With each grit, the grain reveals more of its hidden poetry. The shell is born, but the voice still waits. For the Dholak's voice, only the finest goat skin will do.
12 hours in pure water, the skin remembers how to stretch.
Every fiber must be perfect. The skin becomes a canvas of sound. 2 perfect circles, one for treble, one for bass. 16 sacred holes. Through each, the tension will speak. Steel bent by fire, these rings will hold the tension of music.
Polished perfection, every millimeter must be true.
Skin marries metal presadite. The head begins to take form. 2 heads, 2 voices gumming. The Dholak speaks in dialogue. A whisper of beeswax, preparing the wood to embrace the skin. The deep voice finds its home trowel. Bass head meets the barrel. And the bright voice answers. Treble head finds its place. Natural hemp tenor, strong as iron, gentle as breath. In zigzag pattern, tension is born. V by V, the Dholak gains its voice. 16 perfect angles, a sacred geometry of sound. 16 tuning rings high. Tomorrow's musician will move them like notes. With each pull, the silent skin becomes alive. Listening fingers, listening ears, otha, tuning is meditation. The secret, iron, flour and gum, the masala that gives bass its soul. In the heart of the bass, the masala gives weight to thunder. And the bass speaks down. like distant thunder rolling through monsoon skies. Linseed oil man, the wood drinks deeply, revealing colors hidden for years. Each stroke awakens patterns sleeping in the grain. Time and oil partners in beauty's slow ritual. And now, the final shine. The Sheesham becomes a mirror. The master tuner arrives, 40 years of listening guide his hands. DHA and TIN Punjam, the eternal conversation of bass and treble.
Voice and drum must agree, the ear is the final judge. Dha din din dha, the dholak finds its first song.
No detail escapes the inspector's eye.
Tension, texture, tone. Every spot must speak truth.
Brass against rosewood crate, a final touch of artistry.
A strap for the journey from workshop to stage. A cover crafted with as much love as the drum itself. The maker's mark parbig, a promise burned into wood for generations. And finally, the master plays. The drum sings its first true song.
From silence to thunder visible, the Dholak has truly arrived.
Approval given made. The Dholak passes the highest test. Final touches done. Every fingerprint cleared, every speck banished. Dressed for its journey to the world.
A case worthy of the treasure within. Velvet for the velvet voice.
Home, for now, dined, until the music calls. Everything the new owner needs. Gyal, care for a lifetime of music. With his signature, the master vouches for excellence. The case closes, but the music inside will live forever.
Layer by layer, ply. Protection becomes art.
Destination Don't, a stage halfway across the world. In this temple of craft, Athungland, hundreds of dholaks await their birth. 40 years of mastery, passed from father to son for generations. The craft continues, old hands teaching young hands.
ऐसे नहीं बेटा.
थोड़ा और नरम. From log to legend, every step mattered. Behold Hikar, the finished masterpiece. And the music begins, the journey from tree to song complete. From its forest roots to the pulse of human hands, the Dholak tells its story.
This is what we crafted, this is why we craft.
One final note, Wohand, and silence speaks for the rest.
And so the cycle continues, Warjing. Wood, hands, music, eternity.
From sacred Sheesham to your hands, the Dholak story has only just begun.